Want to add affiliate income to your business, but you don't know where to start? Today I'm sharing the 5 beginner-friendly affiliate networks you need to start right now, no matter what niche you're in. These are the platforms I use to earn affiliate commissions on top of my digital product sales. And the best part, they're all free to join and perfect for beginners. And if you're new here, hi, I'm Shannon. I teach people how to start side hustles and build passive income. I've sold over 27,000 in digital downloads on Etsy. I've published over 100 KDP books, and I made over 36,000 print-on-demand sales, all while working a full-time job. My goal is to help you build your first profitable side hustle this month. And if you haven't already, hit subscribe so you don't miss my weekly side hustle updates and tutorials. Let's dive into the 5 beginner-friendly affiliate networks you should sign up for today, what each one offers, and how to get approved. Before we jump into the platforms, let me explain why you need to be on multiple affiliate networks, especially as a beginner. Reason number 1, more products to promote. No single network has everything. Different companies use different networks. More options equals more income potential. And reason number 2, different commission structures. Some pay higher commissions, some have reoccurring payments, and some offer bonuses. Reason number 3, backup options. If one program closes, you have others. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Income diversification. And reason number 4, niche coverage. Some networks specialize in certain industries, tech, fashion, business, tools, lifestyle. You cover all of your content topics. I'm part of all 5 of these networks and use different ones depending on what I'm sharing. These are beginner-friendly, no experience required, so let's break down each one. Number 1 is Amazon Associates. This is the most beginner-friendly and easiest to start. Amazon's affiliate program, you can promote any product on Amazon. You earn commissions on purchases. And why it's perfect for beginners. Some of the pros are everyone shops on Amazon, millions of products to promote, and it's easy to be approved as a beginner. There's the 24-hour cookie, so if they buy something within 24 hours, you get credit. It's a trusted brand, and it's a simple dashboard. So for the commission rates, usually between 1% and 3% for most products, up to 10% for luxury, beauty, and fashion, and up to 20% for Amazon games. Yes, the commissions are low, but the conversion rate is high because most people already trust Amazon. And this is perfect starting point for beginners. So to get approved, you head over to affiliateprogram.amazon.com. You sign up with your Amazon account. You add your website, blog, social media. Even if it's small accounts, they work. Then get your first 3 qualifying sales within 180 days. Your account becomes permanent. You don't need a huge following. Blogs, YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, they all work. You just need a place to share links. And this affiliate network is best for beginners, product reviewers, anyone with a blog or YouTube channel, or anyone that's recommending physical products. I use Amazon Associates for recommending books, tech gear, office supplies, camera setups, anything I mention in my videos. So start here if you're brand new to affiliate marketing. The second affiliate site is Impact, and this is where you'll find major brands and big companies, and it's easier for beginners than you might think. Impact is a partnership management platform. It hosts affiliate programs for major brands, tech-focused, but covers all industries. And here's why it can be valuable for beginners. High-quality brands like Canva, Uber, Shopify, Airbnb. There's higher commission rates than Amazon. There's reoccurring commissions on subscriptions. It's professional but user-friendly dashboard, real-time tracking, and it's great for promoting tools you already use. Impact is where I promote software and tools. If I recommend software like InVideo, I'll use my Impact affiliate link in my description. Even as a beginner, you can get approved if you show that you'll post genuinely. So to get started, go over to impact.com, create an account, search for brands that you want to promote, and apply to the individual programs. Each brand reviews your application individually. Beginner-friendly approval tips. Have a website or established social media. Even 500 plus followers works. Show where you'll promote, blog, YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, and write a genuine application explaining your audience. Apply for brands you actually use. It's best for beginners promoting tech, software, businesses and productivity content, and SaaS tools and subscriptions. If you recommend any software, tools, or subscriptions, even as a beginner, you need to be on Impact. And number 3 is CJ Affiliate. CJ Affiliate, also called Commission Junction, is one of the oldest and most beginner-friendly large networks. It's a massive affiliate network that's been around since 1998. Thousands of brands all across different categories: retail, travel, finance, health, and more. And beginners should join because there's a huge variety of merchants. There's well-known brands like Home Depot, Office Depot, GoDaddy. It's reliable payments, deep linking tools, which is beginner-friendly, advanced reporting that's easy to understand, and it's good beginner approval rate. CJ has brands you can't find anywhere else. It's especially good for home, office, and business tools. And they're surprisingly beginner-friendly with approvals. So to get started, head over to cj.com, click Join CJ, complete your publisher application, be honest and thorough, enter in your tax information, provide your website, content platforms, and wait for approval around 1 to 2 business days. After approval, then you can apply to individual merchants. Beginner application requirements are website, blog, active social media, and a clear description of how you'll promote, legitimate traffic source, even if it's small, it's okay, and a professional looking application. It's best for beginner bloggers, niche website owners that are just starting, product review content creators, and home and lifestyle niches. I use CJ for numerous business tools and domain hosting services, so don't be intimidated. Beginners get approved all the time if you have a clear plan. And affiliate site number 4 is PartnerStack. This is beginner friendly for B2B or SaaS affiliates, especially if you create content about business tools. So what is it? It's B2B focused affiliate platform, SaaS and software companies, and high value reoccurring commissions. And why is it so powerful for beginners? It has high commission rates, sometimes between 20 and 30%, software and tools for businesses, lifetime or long-term reoccurring commissions, growing network of quality brands, and beginner-friendly if you're in the right niche. Some commissions can be between $50 and $500 each. PartnerStack is where the money is if you're in the business, productivity, or creator tool space. Reoccurring commissions mean you get paid every month a customer stays subscribed. Even beginners can succeed with the right content focus. So how to get started? Go to partnerstack.com, click Become a Partner, create a free account, then browse available programs and apply to programs that fit your niche. Each company reviews individually. Some beginner tips are show your audience, YouTube, email list, website, even if they're small numbers. Explain your promotion strategy clearly. Have a professional application because it increases your approval rate. And start with smaller tools and work your way up to the bigger ones. This platform is best for beginners in business and productivity content, creator tool reviews, marketing and sales content, and a tech-savvy audience. If you create content about business tools, productivity software, or creator platforms, even as a beginner, PartnerStack is a must. Affiliate site number 5, ShareASale. And this is the most beginner-friendly network with incredible variety. If you only join one besides Amazon, this is the one. ShareASale is an established affiliate network since 2000, has 25,000 plus merchants, every niche imaginable, and it's perfect for beginners because it's very easy approval process for beginners, huge merchant variety, user-friendly dashboard, a low $50 payment threshold, and a great support team. And commissions can range from 30 to 50%. Categories range from fashion, beauty, home, garden, digital products and courses, to health and wellness, arts and crafts, and food and beverages. ShareASale is where I find niche-specific merchants that are on the bigger networks. It's a goldmine for unique affiliate opportunities and the easiest for beginners to navigate. So to get started, go to shareasale.com, click affiliate sign up, fill out the application thoroughly, provide a website, a blog, social media, and wait for approval around 1 to 2 days. It's usually fast for beginners. Then browse and join merchant programs. The application requires a website or established platform, but it's very lenient. Real contact information, clear promotional methods. So be honest about being new. They accept beginners. And this is best for beginners in any niche. Bloggers just starting out, Pinterest marketers, niche content creators, and anyone wanting variety. ShareASale is my go-to when I need something specific that isn't on Amazon or any other network. It's the easiest one for beginners to get approved on. All right, so here's exactly what you as a beginner should do after watching this video. Step 1 is sign up for all 5. The links are in the description down below. Step 2 is prepare your beginner application. If you have a website, get the URL. Social medias, get the URLs. And don't worry about the size. Your niche/topic area, be honest about being a beginner. And step 3, browse programs as a beginner. Once approved, you'll explore brands. Apply to the programs that match your content. And you'll start with brands you already use and love. Don't pick random brands just for money. And step 4, create your beginner strategy. What products and services do you already recommend? What do you genuinely use and love? Start promoting those first. And step 5, disclose properly. Always disclose affiliate links clearly, like this post contains affiliate links. It's required by FTC, but it also builds trust. Don't wait to sign up. Sign up today. Even if you're not ready to promote yet, get approved now so when you're ready, you already signed up. These networks are incredibly beginner friendly. Take advantage of that. I have a complete affiliate starter guide linked in the description. It's completely free and it helps you get started, and it breaks down all of these sites. It includes everything a beginner would need to start earning affiliate income this week. And if you haven't subscribed yet, hit Hit the button now. I post beginner-friendly affiliate marketing tips, side hustle strategies, and income tutorials every week. So which of these 5 beginner-friendly networks are you signing up for first? Affiliate income is one of the easiest ways for beginners to add revenue to their business. You are already recommending products and services. You might as well get paid for them. And you could do this from day one. So sign up for the 5 beginner-friendly networks I mentioned today and let me know in the comments if you have any questions. That's all I have for today. Thanks for watching.